Subscribe asp.net tutorial channel and press the bell icon for latest update videos.
To my channel is vs2019. Welcome to Bootstrap 4 tutorial series. So friends, today we have learned input group size in Bootstrap 4. So friends, let's start. So friends, in last video friends we have learned input group, and in this video we have learned input size, input group size. So friends, I have already creating a button for using a next page, and properly I will show you the classes of group sizing. So you have to see this friends. I'm using a two same classing, like you have to see friend. First we have using a append prepend class, and next class friends we have to using a text class, group text, and again friends we have to using a prepend and text class for creating a sizing. You have to divide into the sizing like small, default and large. So friends, save and see the page how it will the save, and I have check it the page how the design it's look like. Okay, we have to refresh the page friends and see the result how it will be. Save and go to the visit the page, and when you can see it are divided into the three sizes. First size using a small size, second friends is the default, and third friends is a large size. You can see this small, default and small. This is a three group sizes. You have to using your comfortable for using your projects. I hope friends you like the video. If you like the video friend, please like, share and subscribe latest videos update, press the bell icon for more information, like Facebook page, follow on Instagram, Twitter, and if you have any query friends you can ask me, comment or email, and friend visit my website www.asp.nettutorials.com, and thank you for watching videos.